Did you know that okra is also nicknamed lady's finger? It looks so good. Hello, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to make roasted goat meat with okra stew. We hope that you will enjoy it. Let us also know how do you cook your goat meat. How much okra do you like in your meat? Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Also comment, share the video with others. Just give us a like as well. Thank you so much for your support. We really do appreciate you. Let's get cooking. And before us here, we have got the goat meat. Really lovely piece here, meaty. Good part of the goat. And we have the onions, okra. Okra really depends on how much you want it. Some people like it slimy, some people like it less slimy. So it's a personal preference. Then we have got the paprika, the parsley, thyme, curry powder, salt, black pepper, garlic, and then tomatoes. This time we're just using tin tomatoes, 1 tin of tomatoes. That's enough. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to wash the goat meat thoroughly well. Then we will season it and then put it in the oven to roast. After roasting it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, then we will make the stew. And that's when everything else will come in place. But for now, we are just going to use 1 onion to do the roasting. I'm just going to cut my onions now for roasting my goat meat. I love adding onions in my almost everything I roast actually, because onion gives such a good flavor to food, Even though I'm going to say actually this other onion is going to be used later for the stew. So that's why we've taken out 2. So put it here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just wash my meat and then get it ready for seasoning. We are going to wash the meat now. I'm just going to give this a little hand because I need it for putting the clean meat. If you find some extra fat, you want to take it off, you can go ahead and take it off. Some of the bones are very actually sharp, so using gloves actually will give that extra protection. Just wrap. So we are now going to season our meat. I'm just going to use half of this because I want to use some of the rest later. Salt, all the salt can go there. A bit of curry powder. Also can use, a little bit, not too much. A little bit of thyme. And parsley. There. Paprika. Season it well. Now I'm going to crush my garlic. Okay, got you. There. Yeah, this is going to really be well flavored, guys. So I use about, well, because they're small, it should be about like probably 3. That's good now. I'm just going to actually just mix everything together, no need to leave anything out. Yeah. This one also, if you want actually the spices to soak in the meat, you can also marinate it for maybe 2 hours. But in this case, we are actually cooking it straight. I'm just going to put it in the oven. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the oven. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm just going to put it in there. Spread it nicely. Then we're just going to put it in the oven. Roast it for about 45 minutes, 1 hour. In fact, by the time you take it out of the oven, it's actually almost ready. Then you just do the stew, and it shouldn't take long. I'm actually just going to spray a bit of sunflower oil over the meat, just to help it actually be moist. This is ideal for grilling, 1 calorie per spray. Anyway, ideal for grilling, frying, and baking. So yeah, just spray over here. Anyway, after roasting, when there's oil at the bottom, you can drain it out. So that's okay. Drain it out. You don't have to use it. There, this is good now. So we are going to put it now in the oven. So now our goat meat is in the oven, gas mark 6, and we are going to leave it there at least for, I think, for the next 30 minutes without touching it. Then I'll come back, I will turn, and then leave it for probably another 15 to 30 more minutes, and then we take it out when it is, nicely roasted. Now we have taken out actually it stayed for more than 30 minutes. It was roasting for about 45 minutes. So I'm just going to turn the meat like that. You can see, oh my goodness, oh, can you smell it, guys? Can you smell it from there? Hey, it smells amazing. Wow. It's almost actually edible, but no, we want to, I'll leave it in the oven for another at least 15 minutes. Then I take it out and I prepare my onions and tomato sauce and all that. Yeah. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven for another at least 15 minutes. I'm just going to cut up the onion for the goat meat stew. Remember, I already used one onion for roasting, so I'm just going to only use one now. There's no point in using so many onions. There's no point. So, let's cut this. We are going to fry this up now. Add some oil. Okay, 2 should be enough. Add my onion. So the saucepan was already actually hot. Our onions has browned, and we are just going to put curry powder, not too much. Mix it. Immediately add this. Always never allow your curry powder to cook for too long, otherwise it will become bitter. You won't like it. So now this is done. We are going to leave it to cook for the next 15 minutes, so that the sauce can thicken, and then we add our tomatoes as cooked, and then the juice has reduced. It's ready now for the meat to go in there. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Yeah. And then look at our meat, guys. See, it's proper. In fact, it is ready. You can even eat this is tour. You can even eat it like that. But now, again, put it there. Yeah. And then I just have to add some water. Yeah. So now we're going to leave this to cook at least for the next 30 minutes before Okay, we will check it and then we can add our okra much later towards the end of the cooking. So we just leave this to cook. I'm going to wash my okra now. Did you know that okra is also nicknamed lady's finger? Last one. I just also wanted you guys to know that actually when you add salt to your sauce, sometimes you may just want to just make the okra with tomatoes. Make sure you add salt first because the salt will stop it from getting too slimy. But if you start cooking your okra without salt, it's going to be very slimy unless you like it slimy. But as for me, I always add a bit of salt first and then I add my okra. Now our goat meat has got salt already in it, so that's why I've even made a little bit more than I should have. I think it's not going to be too slimy. Yep. Our meat has been cooking for a while now. You can see I actually decided to add some carrots. It's optional. You can add or you can just do just only the meat. But I wanted actually a bit of carrot in there. That's why I added it. And now we are going to add our okra. This okra must only cook for about 10 minutes. After that, we got to turn off the fire. It will do. Anyway, you can taste it as well. No? Yeah, now you leave it to cook for at least about 7 to 10 minutes max. So guys, our roasted goat meat stew is ready, with okra. And as I told you, I added a bit of carrot in there. It looks so good. It looks so good. We are going to serve it now and give it a taste. So we're just going to serve our food now. Put a little bit more soup there. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this cooking. I hope you try also the recipe, and please let us know in the comment section below what you think and how yours turn out. So yeah, enjoy. Thank you so much for your support. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and also share this video with others. Give us a comment and a like. Thank you. May God bless you.